Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Target app using biometrics and notifications. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Target app on your mobile device. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Sign In to access your account. Enter your username and password, then tap Sign In. If prompted, complete any additional security steps. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section within your account. Look for Security and Privacy options. Choose the Enable Biometric Authentication option. You may be asked to confirm your identity using your password again. Follow the prompts to set up biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Ensure you grant the necessary permissions for the app to access biometric features on your device. After biometric authentication is activated, you can log in with just your fingerprint or face. Next, navigate back to the Settings section. Find the Notifications settings within the app. Enable notifications to receive alerts about your account and purchases. Confirm your notification preferences to stay updated on special offers and promotions. Ensure that your device's notification settings allow alerts from the Target app. Test the biometric login feature by logging out of your account. Attempt to log back in using your configured biometric options. You are now ready to use the Target app with enhanced security and notifications. Enjoy a smooth and secure shopping experience with the Target app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.